In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Asos discount code. So let's get started. Asos is a clothing brand and it's a very popular one, and you might be wondering on how you can save a bit of money when you're purchasing clothes from here. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to Google and search up Asos discount code and click enter. Once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website Daily Mail. You're gonna click on it. Okay, so that's the logo right there, and it says discount codes in August 2023. Okay, so the first one says save an extra 30% off on top of the outlet deals with this code. So I'm gonna click on it, and that's the code to get 30% off. So you can copy, continue to the website, and paste this at checkout. Let's see a few more codes. Enjoy 15% off your first order. Let's click on it. You're gonna use this code hi friend to get a 15% off your first order. Then you can go and explore these other codes. There are many here, so you can go and see all of them. Now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more codes. Okay, let's go to this website, bonecode.ae. Okay, pay $30 less for your first order, so you're gonna pay 30% less of what you're supposed to pay. So you can click on it, use the code I am new, and go to the store and get your 30% discount. Here you can save $25 by using this code, but this is a deal, so you'll have to go to the store itself and you won't need to use a coupon code. So you can also go and see all these other codes and see whether there'll be any use to you. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.